Love me tender, love me sweet, never let me go. You have made my life complete, and I love you so. Love me tender, love me true, all my dreams fulfill. For my darling, I love you, and I always will. Love me tender, love me dear, tell me you are mine. I'll be yours through all the years, till the end of time. Love me tender, love me true, all my dreams fulfill. For my darling.
Geordie, do you give your love and blessings to Andrea and Duncan today? And will you continue to offer them support and guidance in their future lives together?
I do.
Love me tender, love me true,
I, Duncan John Bird, in front of these witnesses, take you, Andrea Haley Leeson, to be my lawfully wedded wife.
I, Andrea Haley Leeson, in front of these witnesses, take you, Duncan John Bird, to be my lawfully wedded husband.
So now, without further ado, it is my absolute pleasure to declare by the power of your love and commitment and the authority vested in me, I now have the honour of pronouncing you to be husband and wife. Please kiss your beautiful bride.
We've only just begun to live. White lace and promises, a kiss for luck, and we're on our way. And yes, we've just begun. Before the rising sun, we fly. So many roads to choose. We start out walking and learn to run. Yes, we've just begun. Sharing horizons that are new to us, watching for signs along the way, talking it over, just the two of us, working together day to day. Together, when the
couldn't have imagined that I would end up marrying a kinder, more thoughtful, more trustworthy, more forgiving and more loyal person than yourself, and for that I'm truly grateful. I love you, look forward to sharing many more adventures with you as we journey through life together, and one day, if we're lucky enough, maybe even seeing some little Andreas and Duncans running around with their big teeth, big noses and massive eyeballs, staring up at the sky in wonderment of the fantastic world in which we live.
The number of strong friendships you have built and treasured over the years is a representation of what a truly wonderful person you are. You always go above and beyond for those you care about, which is one of the many things I love about you. There are so many reasons why I feel so honoured and happy to now say I am your wife. But to name a few, I love your calm nature, realistic approach to life, and positive attitude. You really do have the biggest heart. You are the most honest, kind and loyal person I have ever had the pleasure of meeting. And now today, I get to call you my husband. I'm a lucky woman.
Mr. and Mrs. Bird.
You wanna be alone, but someone loves you more than you know. Breathe slow, cause you don't know. You don't know, cause you don't know all the things that can set you free. Like impressing me, like impressing me. Baby, baby. But someone loves you more than you know. Breathe slow, cause you don't know. You don't